My Lord Bishop, Chair of the University Council, members of the University, ladies and gentlemen. Mae'n hyfrydwch mawr gen I eich croesawu chi yma y prynhawn hwn I gampws Prifysgol Cymru y Drindod Dewi Sant yma yng Caerfyrddin. Eich croesawu chi ar brynhawn cynnes iawn wrth I ni ddod ynghyd I ddathlu llwyddiant gweddedigion. It's a great pleasure for me as Vice-Chancellor to welcome you here to the Trinity campus of the University of Wales, Trinity St David, as we gather here on a very warm evening to celebrate the success of the graduates of our university. And over the next 2 weeks, we will be celebrating in different locations in Wales the success of the graduates. I'm particularly pleased tonight that I have the opportunity of congratulating you, the graduates. You, who not only have achieved academic success, but several of you who have been involved also in your own professional practice of undertaking work day after day and also securing academic achievement. That is no easy task. I salute you, I pay tribute to the work that you have achieved, and it's great to see you here today, succeeding. And may I, on behalf of the university, express our gratitude to you, the family and friends who have supported them. It's not easy. It's not easy undertaking university education at any stage. But imagine if you are also undertaking a full-time job. It can be very, very difficult. And I'm sure that you would want to join with us as academic faculty in expressing our gratitude to you for the support that you have given. Diolch yn fawr iawn. I'd also like to take this opportunity to express my gratitude to the staff, the academic staff and professional staff of the university who have supported you on your journey. If it were not for that integrity, for their professional standing, you would not be graduating today. And can I therefore sincerely thank you also for the hard work. Diolch I chi am y gwaith caled. We are here today to celebrate. We are here standing in our formal academic regalia, here linking the traditions of the medieval colloquium and the modern world. And we are trying to co-curate a narrative that says that education counts, that education can make a difference. You know as I do that the value of educare is to draw out that which lies within. To draw out within the context of the spirit, the soul, or knowledge that lies within. And I sincerely hope that the opportunities that you have had here as part of your professional journey has given you that space, the tranquility of space, to ask the question and to reflect, what are the important issues for you in life? I hope Trinity has given you that space to inquire, to test, intellect challenge, but also to create that tranquil space that you can ask, what do I believe in? What do I stand for? What's important for me? Because at the end of any educational career, it is the opportunity then to reflect on that practice. And for you who have been involved in professional practice in so many different areas, be that within the context of housing, of clinical leadership, of social work, of inclusive education, your professional practice and reflection will make the difference to the lives of so many individuals. And I pray God that Trinity has given you that space, that you can critically stand back and reflect and ask the question, how can I make a difference? For the real value of leadership, the real value of educational dialogue is to serve. Is to serve our communities, to serve our professional groups, and hopefully make a difference together. This morning, I greeted some very excited young graduates who had really enjoyed university campus life. Well, you're still young, and I'm sure you also enjoyed university life. Some of you will gain your BA. That's great news. But do remember, those are the only first 2 letters of the alphabet. There's far more to learn within the University of Life. As others of you who have undertaken your professional careers and have followed your ministry and vocation of making a difference in the lives of individuals. We are the privileged ones. We have been given the opportunity to come to a university context and to reflect. And this is a world that is calling out for reflection. So many people are quite happy to make any statement on a public news without really reflecting, what are the implications of what am I saying? And within our professional practice, we need to be able to stand back and ask, how can we serve? How can we make a difference? I hope that this university has helped you on your journey of reflection, and it has helped you hopefully to make you better professionals, to gain knowledge, to gain academic standing, but more than anything, that has given you the vocabulary to critique, to deconstruct, and to construct anew. Because that is the value of a university. It creates that space for the intellectual inquiry that we can then, after deconstructing issues, put it back together. And we need, as a society, individuals that can curate a narrative of hope, a narrative of opportunity for our youngsters and also within our communities. I hope that you now will take on the challenge and the responsibility of being change agents, not only within your professional careers, but within a wider role of the community. Create a culture of challenge, positive challenge, a challenge that can make a difference within our community. Be confident challengers, be honest facilitators, seek the truth, seek the common good. For if we seek the common good, be that within our professional work or our communities, we can make a difference. If we seek within our own hearts the value of goodness and of service. I often say on these university stages, and I really believe it, don't look down at anybody, don't look up. Why should you? Just look across. Be yourself. Have the confidence to be whoever you want to be. And in doing that, support others in your professional work. You are the future change agents within your professions and within our community. Learn the value of humility and of supporting others through compassion. Because if you can put that at the core of your professional practice, you can achieve so much and give so much to others. Whether you realize that or not, today you join a guild of graduates where there are hundreds of thousands of students all over the world. Kings, queens, professors, doctors, surgeons, nurses, plumbers, electricians, all of them might carry with them a single word on their CV. And that word is Wales. You will become graduates of Wales, of the University of Wales. And wherever you go in your professional practice, you will carry that word with you as ambassadors of this learning country. What a privilege. What a responsibility to serve in the name of a country as ambassadors of the University of Wales, Trinity St. David. And today you take your leave. Or do you take your leave? This will always be your alma mater. It is to this alma mater that you will return. All I can say as Vice-Chancellor is, may God bless you. May his countenance always be with you. May he fill you with hope, with sincerity. May the faith of opportunity be with you. And may the grace of opportunity always lead you to make a difference within our communities. Class of 2019, I wish you well. I bid you joy. Dymuniad Ergore.
Gorau awen gwirionedd. Byddai'r hysbys i aelodau'r Prifysgol ac i bawb sydd yn bresennol y cynhelir ar yr 8fed a'r 9fed o Orffennaf 2019 yma yn Dref Caerfyrddin, gynulliadau awdurdodedig Prifysgol Cymru y Drindod Dewi Sant i dderbyn i'w priodol raddau bersonau da ei gair sydd trwy yfrydiaeth yn y Brifysgol a trwy ddisg medr a dyfal byrhad wedi teilyngu'r cyfryw raddau yn unol ag ordeniannau'r cyrff dyfarnu, gyda phob gweddi a dymuniad ar iddynt fwynhau iechyd a hir hoedl i wasanaethu ei genhedlaeth a'i gwlad dan fendith y nef. Yna dy oleini a gyfyd mewn tywyllwch, a tywyllwch a fydd fel hanner dydd, a rhai a fyddad ohono ti a adeiladant yr hen ddiffeithleoedd. Gorau awen gwirionedd, the best inspiration is truth. Be it known to members of the University and to all here present that authorised congregations of the University of Wales Trinity St David are being held here in the town of Carmarthen on the 8th and 9th of July 2019 to admit to their appropriate degrees worthy persons who have, through study at the university and through learning, ability and perseverance, been deemed worthy of such degrees in accordance with the ordinances of the awarding bodies, in the hope they may be given health and long life to serve their generation and their country under the blessing of heaven. Then shall thy light rise in obscurity, and thy darkness be as the noonday, and they that shall be of thee shall build the old waste places. Byddai'r hysbys i aelodau'r Brifysgol ac i bawb sydd yn bresennol fod Prifysgol Cymru y Drindod Dewi Sant wedi rhoddi'r awdurdod i'r athro Medwyn Hughes dderbyn i'w graddau fyfyrwyr Prifysgol Cymru y Drindod Dewi Sant a enillodd raddau yn unol â rheolau'r Brifysgol. Gwelir enwau rhai a gellir ei derbyn i'w graddau yn y cynulliad hwn yn y rhestrau pryntiedig sydd wedi ei dosbarthu. Let it be known to members of the University and to all who are present that the University of Wales Trinity St David has granted authority to Professor Medwyn Hughes to admit to their degrees students of the University of Wales Trinity St David who have qualified for degrees according to the regulations of the university. The names of the students that can be admitted to their degrees during this congregation can be found in the printed lists that have been distributed.
Anrhydedd y Ganghellor, cyflwyno fi ti ddisgyblion o Brifysgol Cymru y Drindod Dewi Sant, o enillodd radd Meister yn y Celfyddydau. Honourable Vice-Chancellor, I present to you students of the University of Wales Trinity St David who have gained a degree of Master of Arts. Rosalind Julie Fruin. Sharon Louise Fruin. Sarah Presdy Loxdale. Anrhydedd y Ganghellor, cyflwyno fi ti ddisgyblion o Brifysgol Cymru y Drindod Dewi Sant, enillodd Diploma Olrathedig. Honourable Vice-Chancellor, I present to you students of the University of Wales Trinity St David who have gained a postgraduate diploma. Susan K. Hammercott. Dylan Roderick McLeod. Simon Leslie Morris. Lisa Ball. Nicholas Rhys Fisher. Rachel Samantha Paul. And Frydeddus is Ganghello, cyflwy'n afi ti disgyblion o Prifysgol Cymru y Drindod Dewi Sant a enillodd dystysgrif olrathedig. Honourable Vice-Chancellor, I present to you students of the University of Wales, Trinity St David, who have gained a postgraduate certificate. William James Davis. Ayad Al-Muzaffar. Lisbeth Alida Beekman. Lisa Chess. Ivor Gordon Chestnut. Mohan Babu Muthuswamy. Richard Alexander Edward Wheeler. And Frydeddus is Ganghello, cyflwy'n afi ti ddisgyblion o Prifysgol Cymru y Drindod Dewi Sant a enillodd dystysgrif rathedig. Honourable Vice-Chancellor, I present to you students of the University of Wales Trinity St David who have gained a graduate certificate. Catherine Ashton. Catherine Elizabeth James. Hannah Thomas. Tina Williams. And Frydeddus is Ganghello, cyflwy'n afi ti ddisgyblion o Prifysgol Cymru y Drindod Dewi Sant a enillodd dystysgrif addysg uwch. Honourable Vice-Chancellor, I present to you students of the University of Wales Trinity St David who have gained a certificate of higher education. Catherine Suzanne Gleaves. Damien Nicholas Evans.
Anrhydeddus is Ganghellor, cyflwynaf i ti ddisgyblion o Prifysgol Cymru Drindod Dewi Sant a enillodd radd baglor yn y celfyddydau. Honourable Vice-Chancellor, I present to you students of the University of Wales Trinity St David who have gained a degree of Bachelor of Arts. Ruby Matilda Armstrong Twig. Jessica Ann Jones. Louise Ashton. Rachel Axon. Jasmine Louise Barry. Susan Mary Brumby. Laura Jane Bujega. Carrie-Ann Coles. Melanie Elizabeth Daniels. Catherine Margaret Davis. Tony Lisa Davis. Wendy Davis. Darren Ian Dowley. Nicola Dunn. Dawn Margaret Evans. Angharad Stanley Green. Anita Louise Harris-Jones. Claire Hawkins. Lisa Ann Holton. Heather Ann John. Lynn Johnson. Naomi Beth Kitchen. Lisa Jane Lewis. Lucy Lewis. Joanne Lloyd. Kira Martin. Michelle Arian Messer. Adam Hugh Munser. Teleri Wynne Nicholas. Cheryl Ann Phillips. Elizabeth Rachel Phillips. Kaylee Nicola Pryder. Julie Michelle Roberts. Helen Elizabeth Rowe. Nia Anghara Timothy. Sioned Williams. Laura Ann Yap. Alexandra Guinan. Anrydeddus is-gynghellor, cyflwynaf y ti ddisgyblion o Brifysgol Cymru Drindod Dewi Sant a nillodd radd sylfaen. Honourable Vice-Chancellor, I present you students of the University of Wales, Trinity St David, who have gained a foundation degree. Caris Davis. Kate Buffy. Natalie Dewi. Nicola Edwards. Callum John Evans Williams. Colleen Margaret Galloway. Laura Beth Goodwin. Janine Emma Griffiths. Leanne Kathleen Teresa Groves. Donna James. Sadie Elizabeth Lindsay. Hannah Mary Lyne Zachman. Sharon Joanne Martin. Rebecca Lynn McKay. Susan Ellen Parsons. Kelly Louise Rowe. Melanie Jane Rowland. Lorna Rosemary Sharp. Lisa Marie Wilkinson. Anrydeddus is-gynghellor, cyflwynaf i ti ddisgybl o Brifysgol Cymru Drindod Dewi Sant a nillodd diploma ôl-raddedig. Honourable Vice-Chancellor, I present you student of the University of Wales, Trinity and David, who has gained a postgraduate diploma. Lucy Heafield. Anrhydeddus is-ganghellor, cyflwynaf I ti ddisgybl o Brifysgol Cymru a Drindod Dewi Sant a enillodd disysgrif addysg uwch. Honourable Vice-Chancellor, present you student of the University of Wales, Trinity St David, who has gained a Certificate of Higher Education. Kelly Ann Hopkins.
A wnaeth y myfyrwyr sydd newydd gael eu cyflwyno i'r Brifysgol a wnewch chi sefyll. With all the graduates that have just been presented to the university, would you please stand? Just the students. Oh, I will be admitting you all to degrees. Some of them have worked very hard. Trwy awdurdod y Brifysgol amddiriedwyd I mi, derbyniaf chi eich graddau eich diplomau priodol yn enw Prifysgol Cymru, y Drindod Dewi Sant.
Roedd eich bobl yn wastad dros flwydd ac yn ryddedd ein prifysgol a'n gwlad.
Congratulations. On behalf of the university, congratulations. You are now graduates and ambassadors of the University of Wales, Trinity St David. Please be seated. I think the families are more boisterous than the graduates. It's lovely to see.
Anrhydeddus is-ganghellor, cymeradwyaf I ti ddisgyblion y Brifysgol Cymru a Drindod Dewi Sant, nad ydynt yn bresennol yn y seremoni hon, ond sy'n gymwys I dderbyn cymwyster. Mae henwau wedi cynodi yn ganolog. Honourable Vice-Chancellor, I commend to you students of the University of Wales, Trinity St David, who are not present at this ceremony, but have duly qualified for an award. The names of these students are recorded centrally.
Trwy awdurdod y Brifysgol amddiriedwyd I mi, derbyniaf y myfyrwyr hynny ar gyfer y graddau a'r diplomau priodol yn ôl ordyniadau Prifysgol Cymru, y Drindod Dewi Sant.
Croeso cynnes I chi gyd. A warm welcome to you all. My name is Becky Ricketts, and I'm your newly elected Group President for the upcoming academic year for Trinity St David Students' Union. It has been a true pleasure to be one of your elected officers this year in Carmarthen, and I'm excited to continue the role over to the next academic year. I'm here on behalf of our Students' Union to congratulate every single one of you on your fantastic achievement today. While I may not have had the pleasure of meeting all of you in person, please know that we as your union have been working hard behind the scenes to support you and improve your experiences, whether that be handing out free bananas and chocolate, whether that be working on our academic quality report on student mental health, or whether that be through our course and faculty representatives. We've been working with the university to look to things that you care about, to change them for the better. Now that you are our newest graduates of the University of Wales, Trinity St David, things will be a little bit different. For some of you, it will mean much more time with your family and your loved ones, and less time diligently writing up assessments or being on your academic placements in support of your degree. But for now, there are a few things that I'd like to share with you, in the hope that they stick with you as you depart from this university into your future. Point 1. Continue to care. This year alone, our students have spoken up about the things that matter to them. Campus facilities, mental health, support, sustainability are all things that are student-led issues, and the university has listened and made changes. We as a Students' Union were nominated for both Campaign of the Year and Officer Team of the Year for the National Union of Students in Wales. And this couldn't have been done without our student body. It's our job in the Students' Union to fight for your rights as students, and we don't fight with you, we fight together. Point 2, continue to speak up. As you leave us as successful graduates, I want you to consider the virtues and morals you have kept in your time here with us, standing up for the things that matter. It has been said before, but I'll say it again. It has never been more important to use your voice and continue to engage with the things that matter to you and shape our society for the better. Shape the environment, shape politics, shape people, and shape your future. We need you to be leaders and ambassadors and show people that we are a family of graduates, and a family of graduates that care and are prepared to act. Point 3, continue to be yourself. As a union, we are proud to have represented you in all kinds of ways. As a president and representative, I'm so proud to have known you and watched you blossom. Today is your day to acknowledge your setbacks and your challenges that you've faced along the way, but also to bask in your success with your friends and family. I can say with almost absolute certainty that there are people in this room that have juggled full-time jobs, children, travelling, caring for family members, mental health, and so much more. But despite your commitments elsewhere, you've done it. You succeeded, you crossed the stage, and crossed the path into your future. For those of you leaving us to venture into full-time work, the Trinity St. David Students' Union wish you all the very best of luck. This brings my last ever address as a Carmarthen campus graduation ceremony to a close, so I just want to say a huge congratulations to you all. Wear your cap and gown today with pride, and remember that no matter where life takes you, the University of Wales, Trinity St. David, belongs to you. Diolch yn fawr.
Ysgob Joanna, Isganellor, graddedigion a'ch teuluoedd, croeso cynnes i'r seremoni yma yn y Drindod yng Caerfyrddin. It's a great privilege to be here today and celebrate with your family members their success. Basically, it's one of my favourite congregations. I shouldn't say that, should I? But it is. And there are certain reasons why that's true. I've got a great deal of admiration for the graduands who graduated today. The sacrifice, the commitment, the dedication, trying to balance work, family, and academic work is not an easy task. And I think they deserve tremendous congratulations for what they have achieved. I think they'd also like to thank the academic staff, whose support, encouragement, and leadership has brought them to this point. We've got fantastic academics in this university. We've got fantastic staff here, led by the Vice-Chancellor. Just to let you know, this university now stands 57th in the country, the 4th in Wales. Our academic reputation is growing day by day. The degrees you receive today is one of the best degrees you'll have in Wales. During last 10 days, I've had my grandson staying from Hong Kong. And I was sitting down with him and he was asking me, well, what are you doing next week, Dickie, when we leave you? And I said, oh, I'll have plenty on. I've got graduations in Carmarthen, Lampeter, and Swansea. So there's plenty of work to do. Oh, that's great, he said. He's only 9 years of age. And then he said to me, Dickie, are you the most important man in Wales? And as I was enjoying that comment, he quickly added, after Ken Owens and Gareth Blaine. So I was put down and put back in my place immediately. Today, you as graduates are the most important people here. Do you know, if you could stand here and see the faces of these children, and what a privilege it is for them to see their parents graduating. What role models? What inspires them more than anything else to see mum and dad achieving greatness? They are very, very important. Your mums and dads have done remarkably well, and I'm sure you're all very proud of them. Would the children like to stand up and clap their parents? If these children needed to be inspired, what a better example than seeing their parents here achieving these wonderful things. And I hope you will be inspired, and that one day we will see you on this stage graduating and bringing great joy and pride to your parents. But graduates, you belong now to this family, the family of the University of Wales Trinity St David's. The one thing, you will always be a part of this university. The door is always open. The support of the academic staff and the encouragement of the academic staff will always be there. I hope some of you will come back to do postgraduate degrees and higher degrees. I know it's a sacrifice and I know it's a challenge. But quite simply, being a part of our family is a huge privilege for us to have you. Because we believe that you are people who are going to bring about change and transformation, not only in your own lives, but in the lives of other people as well. In your professions and occupations, you will have a great impact and influence on other people's lives. It's a huge responsibility. But this transformation and change is needed in our society today. Unfortunately, society seems to be breaking down. There are many challenges which face us. There's a great deal of insecurity. There's a great deal of uncertainty about the future. But today is not a time to be negative, but a time to be positive. Because you can take control of your destiny. You can take control of what's required to make your communities, this nation, into a far better place. Tonight, we celebrate with your children, with your parents, with your husbands and wives, fathers, mothers, mother-in-laws, father-in-laws, your great success. And we wish you every success in the future. But always remember, you are a part of this family, and that will continue till the end of your day. Many congratulations.
Please be upstanding to receive the university standard.